Hey guys, so this is ceiling fan startups. Okay, so start with the first one. Hunter Berkeley! I'm just kidding. I'm being dumb. All of them are gonna be going to high. So I'm gonna do fans on high, fans on medium, fans on low. If they get posted a day or two late, I'm sorry. Because I'm gonna be somewhere. Alright, let's go see the Wakefield. Okay, here's the second one. I'm gonna start this one on the highest speed it can go. I don't know. For some reason, no matter how many times I press the remote, wait. I don't know what is the deal with this remote. Oh! There it goes. It's on like a press this spin and you turn it off. What the heck? Alright, so that's enough for that one. And we'll go downstairs. By the way, this is an only 2-story guest house. Here are the timings. And the AC finally turned on, so I'm gonna go show you that real quick. So, Rheem. This is the first one. They're probably gonna get replaced. This is actually my cousin's new house. They're gonna rent the guest house. One of the guest houses that we have. And now I'll go show you the air conditioner. Here's the, oh, I swore it was on. Alright, I better not put my fingers in there because it could start any moment now. Rheem Classic. Here's the blade. I need to get out because there's a ton of wasps out here. This is my aunt. And the realtor. Here's the last one. It makes a rattling noise.